Welcome to this visualization exercise to help you prepare for meetings with senior executives and have focused, productive, and engaging conversations. To begin, a reminder that if you notice your mind begins to wander throughout this visualization, you can always and should always come back to your breath. Let's begin. Find a quiet space. Sit or lie down in a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Make sure both sides of your body are equally distributed wherever you choose to relax. We'll begin with deep breaths. Begin by taking a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose for the count of 6. Hold for 2 seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth for the count of 6. If the count of 6 is too long for you or too short, adjust as needed. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2, 3. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2, 3. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And continue. Now remember to come back to that breathing pattern as we continue with the visualization practice. Create a mental image. Close your eyes and create a mental image of the upcoming meeting. Imagine yourself walking into the room or joining the virtual meeting with confidence. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2, 3. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See the setting. Visualize the meeting setting. Are you in a conference room, a virtual meeting room, or an office? Picture the surroundings in detail, from the furniture to the lighting. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2, 3. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Imagine the executives. Envision the senior executives you'll be meeting with. See their faces, their expressions, and their body language. Imagine them welcoming you warmly. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Visualize yourself standing or sitting tall with confident body language. See yourself as a knowledgeable and valuable contributor to the discussion. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Visualize yourself actively listening to what the executives are saying. Imagine nodding in agreement, making eye contact, and asking insightful questions. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Engaging conversation continues. Picture the conversation flowing smoothly. See yourself sharing your thoughts and ideas with clarity and enthusiasm. Visualize the executives engaging with your contributions. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a supportive environment. Imagine the meeting as a supportive and collaborative environment. See the executives appreciating your input and valuing your presence. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Visualize the meeting ending on a positive note. There are positive outcomes for you and the executives. Imagine the executives expressing gratitude for your contributions and looking forward to future interactions. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Confidence and success. Finally, see yourself leaving the meeting with a sense of accomplishment and confidence. Visualize yourself reflecting on the productive conversation you had and feeling proud of your performance. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Express gratitude. As you conclude the visualization, express gratitude for the opportunity to meet with these senior executives and for the support and collaboration that unfolded. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 2, 3. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take a few more deep breaths. And when you're ready, open your eyes. This visualization exercise can help you build confidence and mental readiness for your meetings with senior executives. By envisioning success and positive interactions, you'll be better prepared to engage in productive and meaningful conversations. Remember to carry this positive mindset into your real-life meetings. You've got this. Support this community by subscribing to the channel and activating the notification bell to stay updated with every new video release.